Hello guys, I'm Xavier from RCVHX22 and today I got mail from two cool guys and I want to show you. So I begin with decal stickers for my little garage. I restoration with the other two little guys, and BlacksmithRC sent me decal stickers for the little garage from Red Cat Racing, and I'll let you show you the great stickers. So you can see 4 different stickers, and these stickers is coming soon on the garage. So I thank you so much, BlacksmithRC, and yeah, you can see it later on the next video of the RC restoration garage. And the next one is from Team Man. Yeah, he sent me also decal stickers. I put one on my channel board and one on my XO1. So I'll let you show you. Thank you so much for your cool stickers. I like in the center of your sticker, that's cool. And also on the XO1, I put it on the bottom. Everyday RC. So guys, thank you for watching. Let me comments, share, likes, and yeah, I thank you very much, all you, for all the great stickers that I have now. So you see my video now, you have detail stickers. Let me know it and I put your sticker on my board and on the XO1. And also I have a little place on my little garage. I put I think five different stickers on it. So yeah, let me know it, and thank you for watching RCVHX22. I'm Xavier, and see you later. Bye, peace.